Welcome to today's tutorial on using the Search Alert add-on in the Classified Listing plugin. The Search Alert add-on lets users save search queries with multiple filters and receive email notifications. This add-on allows users on your site to customize how often they get alerts, like instantly, daily, or monthly. So let's dive in and see how it works. So firstly, we need to install and activate the Search Alert add-on. Then go to the plugins. To add new plugins, click on Upload plugin. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Then click on Install Now. And activate this plugin. Here these are. Now click on Visit Site and open a new tab for this. Click on All Ads on the top. Now, using these location-based filters, you can first select a specific location, then choose your desired category, and along with that, provide suitable keywords to find exactly what you are looking for. However, in this query, no listings were found at that moment. But one of the great features of this Search Alert add-on is that you can save your search for later. All you need to do is enter a name for the search, provide an email address to receive notification, and choose how often you want to be notified for new alerts. Then go to the dashboard of Classified Listing plugin and click on Search Alert. Here you will see your saved search list. Click on this filter link and you will find all the items you have saved. Now go to the listing, all listing. Here click on this to edit. Now let's have a list on that matching query. For this, provide a suitable title and then write a description of it. According to the listing details, provide the basic information like category. Pick the location for this that you have saved for your research alert as New York. Set another one. After that, save it. Users will receive an email when their search matches, and at that time it will look like this. If you click on the View All Listing option, you can instantly see the result here. Now, go to the top, click on My Account, and then click the Search Alert button to get a list of your saved search alerts. Here, you can see the filter, notification type, and status. If you click on the link in this option, you can also view your search listing from there. Furthermore, if you want, you can disable the status option and also delete your search list. Thank you for watching.